Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and share a Capcut project with someone else. So first you need to go ahead and launch your Capcut application on your mobile device, log into your account, choose the project that you want to share and tap on the three dot next to it. Now tap on upload to space. If it asks you to upgrade your storage to save the project and get a pro or premium version, you can either upgrade or choose another method. Alternatively, you can download the project and share it through email, WhatsApp, or any other social media platform. Or you can directly go ahead, tap on share project, and select the options available over here. You can also enable password to protect your document, or you can tap on upload to space and select the space where you want to upload to in your Capcut, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.